In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a post on Binance Square. Whether you're using the mobile app or the website, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and comprehensive way. So let's dive right in. To get started, you need to ensure you meet a couple of requirements. First, posting on Binance Square is only possible if you are a verified Binance user. This means you've gone through the necessary identity verification process. Additionally, you have to agree to the Binance Square terms and conditions. It's also worth noting that the availability to post may vary depending on your region, so keep that in mind as you prepare to share your insights. Let's begin with the steps for those of you using the website. Start by logging into your Binance account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Binance Square homepage. If you're not sure where it is, look for a section dedicated to community interaction and discussions. That's where you want to be. On the homepage, you'll see a post icon located conveniently at the top left of the page. Click on that icon to get started. Now comes the exciting part: drafting your content. Here, you have two options, and both offer unique formats to suit your message. If you're planning to share something brief, maybe a quick update or a thought, you can opt for a post. This shorter format allows up to 2,100 characters and supports the inclusion of text, emojis, and photos. It's perfect for those moments when you have something straightforward to share with your audience. Alternatively, if you have more to say and your content requires greater depth, consider creating an article. This format allows for longer content, up to an impressive 80,000 characters, and it offers richer formatting options. It's ideal when you need to dive deep into a topic, provide detailed insights, or create a well-structured piece that demands more attention. Once you've finalized your content, whether it's a brief post or a detailed article, it's time to share it with the world. Simply hit the publish button. By doing this, your carefully crafted words are now out there on Binance Square, ready for the community to engage with. With these steps, you're now equipped to actively participate and contribute to conversations on Binance Square. Whether you choose short posts or detailed articles, remember that your voice can add value to this vibrant community. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more guides like this. Happy posting!